Hello everyone, this is chapter 5 Minerals and Rocks, and this is the revision 1 module or video of this chapter. In this chapter we will discuss about the minerals, metallic mineral, non-metallic mineral, basic characteristics of the mineral, and we will revise then different type of rocks. So let's start. Minerals. As you know, the element are in solid form exist in the outer layer, and in molten form they exist in the interior. Means the different forms of element exist in solid form on the outer layer, or we can say on the surface of the earth, and we can find them in a liquid form in the, or we can say in the molten form in the interior of the earth. In simple language में हम कह सकते हैं कि अर्थ सरफेस पर जो मटेरियल मिलेगा आउटर लेयर पर वो सॉलिड फॉर्म में होगा, और इंटीरियर एरिया में जो मटेरियल मिलेगा वो मॉल्टन फॉर्म में और हॉट फॉर्म में होगा. About 98% of the total crust of the earth is composed of 8 elements. यानी हमारी अर्थ क्रस्ट का 98% पार्ट सिर्फ 8 एलिमेंट से बना हुआ है. These elements are oxygen, silicon, aluminium, iron, calcium, sodium, potassium and magnesium, and the rest of the 2% crust area is consist by these minerals. The oxygen, this is the most important element of our earth crust, and this exists in a maximum 46.60 weight. Means अर्थ क्रस्ट का जो मैक्सिमम पार्ट है वो किससे बना हुआ है? ऑक्सीजन से बना हुआ है. यानी बाकी इन 8 मिनरल से भी बना हुआ है, एलिमेंट से, लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा कौन कंसिस्ट करता है? ऑक्सीजन कंसिस्ट करता है. द एलिमेंट इन द अर्थ क्रस्ट आर रेयरली फाउंड एक्सक्लूसिवली बट आर यूजुअली कंबाइंड विद अदर एलिमेंट्स. यानी अर्थ क्रस्ट में कोई भी एलिमेंट सिंपल या सेपरेट फॉर्म में नहीं मिलता, बल्कि किसी न किसी एलिमेंट के साथ मिक्स या कंबाइंड फॉर्म में मिलता है. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन डिफाइन द मिनरल डेफिनेशन दैट्स अ मिनरल इज अ नेचुरल अकरिंग ऑर्गेनिक और इनऑर्गेनिक substance because it is a mixture of different elements having a definite atomic structure or definite chemical composition and physical properties. So in this way there are number of minerals like sulfur, copper, gold, silver, graphite. The basic source of all minerals is the hot molten material. Means we can get these minerals in the form of rocks, and these minerals exist in rocks from where? So the main source, or we can say the main cause of the mineral is the hot magma in the interior of earth. यानी इन मिनरल्स का मेन सोर्स क्या है? इंटीरियर ऑफ अर्थ में हॉट मैग्मा इन सभी मिनरल्स का मेन सोर्स है. When magma cools, crystals and mineral appear, and a systematic series of mineral are formed in a sequence to solidified so as to form rocks. जब ये मॉल्टन मटेरियल सरफेस पर आता है और कूल ठंडा होकर सॉलिडिफाइड होता है, तब उसमें सिस्टमैटिक फॉर्म में डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर और वॉल्यूम पर डिफरेंट काइंड्स के मिनरल फॉर्म होते हैं और रॉक्स को फॉर्म करते हैं. मिनरल सच एज कोल, पेट्रोलियम, नेचुरल गैस आर ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंस, क्योंकि इनमें ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल होता है फाउंड इन सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैसियस रेस्पेक्टिवली. यहाँ मिनरल्स की कुछ फिजिकल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स दे रखे हैं, लाइक एक्सटर्नल क्रिस्टल फॉर्म, डिफरेंट क्रिस्टल फॉर्म में होते हैं, क्लीवेजेस, these are the basic characteristics of the minerals. Then fracture, luster means shine, color, different mineral have different colors, streak, when we resolve them in water they give different streaks. Transparency, mineral found in 3 forms: transparent, translucent and opaque. Structure of different mineral form in different forms: separable, divergent. Then hardness, different mineral having in different form, like talc is the softest mineral and diamond is the hardest mineral. Diamond is the hardest mineral and talc is the softest mineral on the form of hardness. Then specify gravity. Some major mineral like feldspar. These minerals are very important minerals. The feldspar is a silicon and oxygen are commonly element in all type of feldspar and sodium. These uses in the ceramic and glass making factories. Feldspar used in ceramic and glass making factories. It found in seldom pink color. Then quartz, it is a white and colorless and used in radio and radars. Then pyroxene form 10% of the total earth crust and this is commonly found in the meteorites. Amphibole, it is in green or black color and it is used in asbestos industry. Asbestos industry, the bakelite industries material. Then mica, it is commonly found in igneous and metamorphic rocks and it is used in electrical instrument. So mica is used in electrical instruments. Olivine, it is used in jewelries. So these are the basic use or the importance of these 6 major minerals and their characteristics. Minerals found in 3 forms: metallic, non-metallic and precious form. So metallic minerals, there are contain metal, that's why they called as metallic mineral and can be subdivided in 3 types. Metallic mineral, they have metal kind of characteristic, that's why they called as metallic mineral. So first type of metallic mineral is precious like gold, silver, platinum, etc. Then ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous metallic mineral means those minerals have the iron contained and mixed with iron to form various kind of steels. Then non-ferrous mineral means non-ferrous, the metallic mineral which don't have iron contained like copper. These non-ferrous mineral lead, zinc, tin, aluminium, etc. You need to learn all the example of ferrous, non-ferrous, precious metal. Then non-metallic mineral, the minerals which do not contain the metal quality like sulfur, phosphate, nitrates are the example of non-metallic mineral. Cement is a mixture of non-metallic minerals. The basic raw material for the cement, that is the limestone. This is the first revision completed. In next revision of this chapter, we will discuss about the rocks and the rock cycle. Thank you.